Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girlie Ann Anderson. In today's video, I'll be doing a purple makeup look to go with my dress. Yes, so firstly, I'm taking my black Opal eyebrow pencil and I'm using the black color pencil to draw my eyebrows. Now what I'm doing is I'm following the shape of my own eyebrows. Now if you want an eyebrow tutorial, I will leave a link below of an eyebrow tutorial that you can do if you want to learn how to do your own eyebrows. Now I'm just taking my brush and just trying to shape my eyebrows neatly. I was supposed to do that first, but I forgot. But now what I'm doing is I'm taking my color pencil and I'm just filling in my eyebrows. Next, I'm just taking my brush and I'm just brushing my eyebrows just to blend everything and as well to make my eyebrows a little bit natural. Next, I'm taking this Pro concealer and I'm going to use it to shape my eyebrows and to make it look neat. Now you want to make sure you apply enough so that your eyebrows look really neat and on fleek. Next, I'm using this small brush to blend the concealer. Now remember, your eyebrows do not have to look identical because they are sisters. Yes. Next, I'm taking this Just Be Gorgeous foundation and I'm going to apply it on my face. Now, you want to make sure you apply enough, and I want to make sure I apply enough because I want to cover up my dark marks. Next, I'm taking this purple color eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it under my eyebrows and on my crease as well. Now this purple color is very, very blunt. Next, I'm taking my other eyeshadow palette and I'm taking this bright purple color and I'm going to apply it as well on my crease, and I'm also going to use it as an eyeliner on my bottom eyelid. Now you really want to be careful when you do this because some of it will go in your eye. Next, I'm taking the darker purple color and I'm going to apply it on my crease as well. And as I do that, I'm going to draw a wing that will go with my eyeliner. Now I'm taking my rice powder and I'm going to apply it on my forehead, on my nose, on my cheeks, and on my chin as well, just to give me that matte look. Next, I'm taking this purple blush and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones. Next, I'm taking my mesmerizing eyeliner gel and I'm using it to draw my eyeliner wing. Next, I'm applying this Ultra Volume Revlon mascara and I'm going to apply it on my eyelashes. And I'm also going to apply it on my bottom eyelashes. And to finish up my look, I'm using this NYX liquid lipstick and the color is, yes, purple. And this is the final look, everyone. Yes, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.